I am Mariam from Group 1 and I want to share with you the application we've designed in order to work on our project. So Water Drop app, this is the application and you can start by clicking on the icon. You can either start by clicking on the start button or go to contact us in order to see our emails and contact the application designers. So you can start here and you look at the content. So when you start with applicant needs water, you see the African map and you can locate yourself in order to get help to get water. You can go back to the menu and you go to the second one. We looked for water. These are ways to get water through sustainable technology solutions. So here we have rainwater harvesting, borehole technology, and solar energy. Go through them and read more about them. And you can go back to the menu by clicking there. So when you click here, you get this page, how to use water and save it. You can touch the screen to hear the sound, or you can watch a video that we suggested for you about SDG 6, the water challenge. You can watch it and you can watch some other videos. When you click on the page, you hear some instructions.
Water is the most precious thing in life. We need to use it and we need to save it. Use it and let other beings use it.
Okay, so when you click on the menu, you get back to the content and you can always leave the application by clicking on the back button. Do you really want to quit? Yes? Goodbye.